What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a brand new video. Today we'll be doing public interviews, asking strangers what they think about the new iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro Max. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. With
Kareem.
Alright, and today, the question for today is, what do you think about the new iPhone 11?
I feel like it's not that big of a change between, like for a few generations actually, since the 10, it's not a huge change. The only changes are the camera.
Yeah, true.
So, I don't know, I feel like their competitors like Samsung and Huawei are, like you can tell like there's a huge difference between each phone, but like iPhone is kind of, I would say, lazy in terms of like their design.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's, I used to be like a huge Apple fan, but kind of, yeah.
You think the price is worth it? It's going for $1,300.
Yeah, no, I don't think it is. It's, again, because it's not really that innovative of a product. I feel like if you're keeping it simple and you're not changing too much in your design, you might as well like keep your prices low to kind of keep up with the, yeah.
Yeah, good answers. The final question is, what device do you have right now?
I have an iPhone. I have the XS Max.
I think that's a good phone that could serve another 3 years, 2 years.
Exactly, like that's what I'm thinking. I mean, like I used to, like when their changes were more dynamic, I would change like every year.
True.
But like now it's
kind of dead.
Like even the one that I have now isn't that much different from the one I had before. So it's it's not really a necessity anymore as it used to be.
True. I'm here with
Natalie and Monica.
Yeah, the question for today is, what do you guys think about the new iPhone 11?
We're not really into it.
Yeah, I'm not really into it. I mean, I've seen the colors. I think they're kind of
they're
cheesy.
whack. They look cheesy, especially with, as we already know, like the history of iPhone. The iPhones that are a little bit lesser have like the more bright, vibrant colors. So I don't feel it gives enough value for how much it is.
Exactly.
Exactly, it's like $1,300 or something like that, right? Like that's ridiculous.
Exactly.
Like,
how is it the
and the camera
the laptop?
Yeah.
It's too much.
You can. And you could do more with the MacBook because you can call from the MacBook. You just can't carry the MacBook around.
Exactly. And I just feel like they're trying to always upgrade something on the iPhone because it's like it's too much.
It's too much. They just need to chill and stop and just appreciate the ones that they've had and probably advance those.
Alright, so the final question is, what device do you guys own now?
We do have Apple though.
I have iPhone.
iPhone all day, every day. She has the 10, I have the 8 Plus.
Okay, so you're not going to upgrade for anything?
No.
I'm content with what I have.
If I do upgrade, I'll upgrade to the 10, but that's it. The 11 is not worth it in my eyes.
Alright, so thank you so much.
No problem.
Not a problem.
Bye.
Okay, so today I'm here with
Christian.
Samuel.
And the question for today is, what do you guys think about the new iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max?
I haven't really looked at it much, so I don't know what the differences are, but the 3 cameras on the back is quite a good, nice little joke. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm not much of like a iOS person, but like, it's kind of dope, yeah.
What do you think?
Don't really have opinion, but same as him, I guess.
Alright, so the other question is, what device do you have now, and what's the reason for you not to upgrade?
Right now I have a Huawei Honor 7, so it was just really cheap, and I'm not really one to spend money on like special things. Yeah, so yeah, it's just a bit expensive. Yeah.
What device do you have, and why are you not willing to upgrade?
I got iPhone. I don't know. I just bought it 3 years ago. I thought it was cool, but it's expensive. It's kind of trash, but still use it because I have it.
Sure. All right. So thank you guys so much for this, and hope you guys have a good day. Okay, so today I'm here with
Anna. And Anna.
Really?
Yes.
That's great. That's all right. What's your full name?
Anna Desanchich. Anna Moodley.
That's crazy. Anyways, so the question for today is, what do you think about the new iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max?
I mean, I haven't really heard much about it, so like I don't know. I've just seen that it has the 2 cameras.
Yeah.
For me, I find it really ugly. I don't really like it. I prefer the X.
All right. So what do you think about the price? It's like $1,300. Do you think it's worth it for that price?
No.
What would you be doing with that money?
You can use use like your normal phone, like the 8, it's fine. Like,
like I use the 7, you know.
Yeah. She has a Google phone. It says it's just as good.
Yeah, it's just like a few new features and like a couple $100.
Yeah.
More.
The other question was what devices you guys have and why you won't upgrade, but obviously you just told me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for this short interview and hope you guys have a good day. Bye. Oh, good. Bye. Thank you. Today I'm here with Charlie. And the question for today is, what do you think about the new iPhone?
I was hoping for some new features, but this one seems pretty cool. Like, I'm interested to see how good the quality is of the camera.
The camera is the only upgrade you saw.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, same thing we thought I was second this year. What do you think about the new colors for this one?
I would need that. The green is really nice. Yeah.
And also the price. Do you think the price is worth it for the new features this year?
Not for me.
I'm on the same page.
Yeah.
And what device do you have now?
I have the iPhone X. Yeah.
Will you be upgrading anytime soon?
I mean, if it was under $500 for me to upgrade to the new one, I probably would, but like 500 or more, like I wouldn't.
Alright, thank you so much. Basically, the question for today is, what do you think about the new iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max?
Unnecessarily expensive, but I think I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it.
What do you think Apple has done anything new this year with the cameras for the price? The only thing that they changed was like the camera. Do you think it's worth the $1,300?
Yeah, I think it is. Even though it's actually expensive, I am getting it next month.
Yeah.
But it's like a little expensive, but I like
it's worth it.
Yeah, it is worth it.
So the device that you have now, what phone do you have now?
Shit.
Okay, so today I'm here with
Michael.
Alright, Michael. The question for today is, what do you think about the new iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max?
It looks pretty good. It seems like a good phone.
Do you think it's worth it for the price? 1,300?
I guess, yeah. If anybody wants to buy it for that much, I guess so, yeah.
Yeah. And finally, what iPhone do you have, and why would you or would you not upgrade?
I got the iPhone 6.
iPhone 6?
Yeah. I would upgrade it because I want to get a new phone for more storage. This one doesn't hold that much more storage on it, and the new one, I could probably hold way more storage on it. And it just seems a lot more better. It seems like it would be way more ready to use. This one's just keep breaking down on me. Breaking down.
Battery life is not that good.
Yeah, I don't want to keep repairing it. So.
Yeah, so you're definitely gonna buy the new iPhone 11?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, whenever it comes out. I don't know when.
Yeah, it's gonna release on September 20th, but you could start pre-orders now. So, okay, so I'm here with
Layla.
Okay, so the question for today is, what do you think about the new iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max?
Honestly, I don't know. All I know is that like the new phone has a bunch of cameras on it. That's all I know about it. Yeah.
All right. So, what do you think about the price? It's going for $1,300. Do you think that price is worth a phone? No. What would you be doing with that money?
I'm going on vacation.
And the final question is, what device do you have now, and why would you or would you not upgrade?
I have an iPhone 7 Plus right now, and I don't know, it still works, so...
Look at it. Oh my god. Alright, so yeah, that's it for the video. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Drop a like down below if you like the video, and let me know if you think I should do more videos like this, and also let me know what do you think about the new iPhone 11. Will you guys be copying the new iPhone 11? If not, and why? But before you go, peep the drip. You already know. The off-white. Feel the vibes, you already know, we're dripping out here. So in Toronto, really chill down here, you know. So yeah, always love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.